Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to revert a change in case that you make a mistake. So if we head over to our terminal and let's go ahead and make a quick change. Let's open the contact.html file and let's add some information here. Let's just put wrong commit content and let's save that. So now if we go ahead and do git commit, and what you could do is add the A and M flags. So that way we don't have to run git add beforehand. We just put a short message here. Let's put wrong commit. If you run that, so now if you run git status, there's nothing to commit. But what you could do is run git log and we can see the commit here. Let's say that we don't want to have that information in our contact.html in order to revert the last commit. So in order to revert this commit here, what we can do is run the git reset command and then specify the -- soft flag. This means that the changes that we did to the file will be kept, but the commit will be reverted. And we can specify that we want to go back just one commit. Now if we run git log again, as we can see, we don't see the last commit anymore. But if we check the status of the file, the content is still here. And if we run git status, we can see that the file was modified. So let's go ahead and change the file a little bit more. And let's say something like on commit to reset. So now we have two lines. We can see that the file was modified. And if we check the content of the file, we see the two lines here, and if we run git diff, we can see what actually changed. Let's go ahead and commit that again. So I'll just run git commit again with the AM flags. So A stands for add and then M stands for the commit message. I'll just put wrong commit 2. If we run that and then if we run git log again, we can see the commit message here, and if we check the content of the file, we can see the lines here. So now if we run git status, there's nothing to commit. Let's say that we wanted to revert the commit and the changes as well. What we need to do is again run the git reset command, but this time we need to specify the hard flag instead of the soft flag. So if I put hard instead of soft here, and then again I can specify that we want to go just one commit back. So if I run that, we can see that the last commit was reverted and the changes that we made with it were also reverted. So if I was to check the file content again, we can see that it's empty. Now if we run git status again, there's nothing to commit, but also if we run git log, the last commit is also gone. So this is one way of reverting a change in case that you've made a mistake. The main takeaway is that if you want to keep your changes, you need to use the soft flag, and if you want to get rid of the changes and the commit, you need to use the hard flag. You can specify how many commits back you want to go with the head flag followed by the tilde and the number of commits. I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.